In this video, we are going to take a look at the structured output parser. So structured output parser is this block here. So what it does is that it take a bunch of text, organize it in the way we want it, right? And we have to tell n8n, right, that we want it in this way so that it can give it to us in that way, right? So basically, it turns unstructured text into structured text. That's it. Okay, give it a structure. So we can trigger this from the AI agent. And over here, we just need to click on this to toggle it, right? We need to tell n8n, right, the AI agent, that we require specific output format when they are processing this data. And we click on this. And then from here, we click on this, right, the structured output parser. And this box here will pop out, all right, or this block here. All right, and so over here we just need to define, right? We by giving them example. If not, then we can actually define using JSON schema, and we just give it to them. So it's like manually we still type it out. If not, we say okay, we want it like this. Just give it to us like that, and the AI would be able to figure out fairly easily. All right, so JSON is just a way structured can be interpreted and sent, and another machine picking up would understand the structure because it's the like standard way of doing things like English grammar. Okay, so for the AI agent itself, we just need to do this. All right, let me show you. Okay, we just need to tell them that we want it like that. So I want the name, right? I said get all the output and extract the name, the email, the event, and the date, and give it to me in the required format. So this is how we type JSON keys, and then we name email, event, date. All right, and I say okay, this is the date time. Okay, and it will give it to us like a bunch of text as well as this. Okay, all right. So let's execute this, and I'll show you what I mean. All right, so I'm going to run it once. So the text is okay, send Terrence and invite him to lunch. Okay. And at the end of the day, when we're ready, okay, we can copy this to editor, double click on this. Now you can see that this is the example I gave, and this is um, the output that they've reorganized for me in the form that I want it, right? In the form that I specify. Okay, so you will extract, right? So this is the text I sent, right? And let me do another one. So if I were to change this and say, okay, Jane Tan, an email at, okay, right, and invite to dinner at Orchard Mall, okay, at 1 p.m. Okay, so let's say I were to save this, okay, and I were to execute it, right? Now the AI agent say, okay, the info comes in, let me understand this, send the email, right, and then give it in a structure. Okay, so let's click on execution, and if you want to take a look, we can copy the, right, so we unpin this, and then let's come back to this. Okay, so some execution. Oh, okay, hang on. All right, hang on, let's go back here. Click on this, unpin. Yeah, okay, so I didn't fetch the latest one, right? So this is the latest one, Jane Tan, the whatever, and then dinner Orchard. Okay, so there's the mistake here because over here I didn't remove this. Okay, so if I were to, all right, so if I were to change this and I say invite her to dinner, okay, and I get rid of, let's try something else, to dinner tomorrow at 7. Okay, and I'm going to increase over here. I'm going to do one more. Okay, copy this. Right, and time. Okay, and then I'm going to say give it to me. Okay, so maybe I change this to 1 p.m. All right, and okay, and this is good. So we're gonna execute this and then see what we get this time around. Okay, so this is done. Go to execution. Click on this, copy to editor, unpin. Okay, so now we have this additional one. All right, so it's that easy just to demand that we want it in this structure. Okay, so this is the usefulness of the structure output parser. You actually organize information, make it more professional, I guess. So the next time you take a look at it, you can come back here and say, oh, what was it that I wanted AI to extract and in what format? And that's about it, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have anything, then reach out to me. My name is Terrence, and take care now. Bye-bye.